Yes, so I come away again. So in our last lecture, yes, I've been studying this OR for some longer period of time, by the grace of God. So immediately I make an error, my motion set right. So in our last video, the primer, the second, you see the second constraint here. There is an equals to. And what do I say in the constraint that we have equals to? What constraint was that? What constraint was that? It was second constraint. So if it's second constraint, it means y2 will be unrestricted. So that's what we forgot from the one. So instead of y2 being at the non-negativity, it will not be there. So y2 will be unrestricted, unrestricted because in the primal equals to is found in the second constraint, I2, second constraint. So yi will be unrestricted. That's what I said. So yi being unrestricted means I is 2, so y2 will be unrestricted. So instead of, so this one will be the new, let me clean here. This one will be the new, sorry, answer. This one will be the new, yes. So this is the correct and approved solution. Yes. So the other one, yes, I didn't see. So right. So that's it. That's it. So you study it to be in your blood. The moment you do an error, no, you see it. So thank you very much. Thank you once again. All right.